Hello guys, welcome back to Mercedes Lounge. Today I have the 2021 Mercedes AMG GLE 53 Coupe, and it's a phenomenal SUV. I'm gonna show you guys all the exterior features, the interior, and go for a point of view drive. Here is the GLE 53 Coupe, finished in this black exterior color. It looks very phenomenal. AMG Performance exhaust system, quad exhaust tailpipes, finish in black chrome, class 2 trailer hitch right here, AMG branding on the left, GLE 53 on the right hand side. And let's take a look at the trunk space. Decent sized trunk. If I'm not wrong, you can fit a set of golf clubs in here. Cargo cover right here, and speakers up here as well. And that's a view from the back. AMG floor mats right here. First aid kit on this side. Electronic trunk close. It looks incredible. 22-inch rims, front and back. Y-shaped Mercedes AMG rims. Size on the rears, 325 35 R22. Love the wheel arches design. Chrome door handles on either side. Let's take a look at the rear spacing. Black exclusive Nappa Leather with Alcantara as well. Very stylish. Center armrest, cup holders right here. Accessory lights, panorama glass at the top. Good quality headrests. Love this design. Some storage down here. One 15-volt outlet, USB-C ports, natural ash grain wood trim, Burmester high-end speaker system, has the 64 colors ambient lighting, good quality storage down here. Let's look at the side perspective before we jump into the inside. Front tires, black Y-shaped rims. The size of the front, 285/40 R22, 22-inch rims. The front discs are perforated. Front perspective, LED light package right here, with the daytime running lamps. These are multi-beam LED lights. They do have adaptive high beam assist as well. I love these two eyebrows, very distinct look. Panamericana grille right here. The Mercedes star is larger as my hand. Active distance Distronic systems right here, which work with the radar tech. On the windshield right here, which means the car can maintain active following distance to the traffic and keep lane changes or things like that. It is slightly autonomous on this GLE. AMG branding right here. Front facing camera is right here. Front splitter, wow, very aggressive look at the front here. Large intakes. This one is actually closed, and the reason is, in the previous design, rock chips will travel from this gap to the other side and also damage the intercoolers. However, this other side is open and you can see the intercoolers right through there. So this is the only air inlet, which is open. Love these high gloss black elements on the fins right here. Very aggressive front splitter. This is an A-shaped design. Number of sensors down here. Stepping back, AMG power domes on the hood right here. Gives this car a very, very aggressive look. And that's a look at the front design. Very stylish GLE. And oh, by the way, turbo 4MATIC Plus, which means based on the driving conditions, you can send up to 100% of power to the rear-wheel drive to make this car rear-wheel drive, and it drives phenomenally. One more thing, what do you notice? AMG night package, high gloss black elements, not a ton of chrome on the side here except the door handles, but these other pieces high gloss black because this GLE 53 has the AMG night package. Right, let's jump on the inside. Brief look. Natural ash green wood trim, memory seating 1 to 3, Burmester high-end speaker system, heated as well as cooled seats. All right, storage down here, illuminated door sills right here, and sport pedals. Gives you that performance, design and look. Light controls are right here. Love the natural ash green wood trim. By the way, you can get this upper dash or midway upper dash in carbon fiber, which is an extra couple $1,000, maybe $2 grand for that. Love this center handlebar right here if you go off-roading, things like that. And by the way, you can raise and lower the suspension of this GLE 53 Coupe, set to the manual mode, exhaust valves open and close, 2 cup holders right here, NFC wireless charging at the front. That's how you close it. See the natural ash green wood trim, and then a bunch of USB-C ports right here. It's a good look. Climate control systems will be down here, 4 air vents, there's one on the other side, an MBUX system, which means this is actually fully touch screen. You have a phone menu, navigation, comfort for your massage as contour features, radio, media, performance, Mercedes Me and settings, and all your quick access options will be right here. We'll see those once you start to drive. Your vehicle assistance, light systems, tons of features, guys. MBUX system, very vibrant displays right here at the front. You can change the design of the screen if you prefer, depending on the Mercedes themes. If you swipe up, I'm gonna set it to the racetrack, and then these displays should change just like that. So that's the race theme. All in all, very stylish car. And let's take a look at the engine before we begin the drive. This car has been sitting out in the sun for a while. The hood must be hot. Okay, here is the 3-liter AMG enhanced. All right, this is AMG enhanced with EQ boost, which means you get an additional boost when you start the car through the electric motor, which sits back here. Has the AMG branding right here, Mercedes right there. 429 horsepower with 384 pound-feet of torque. Leave some comments, guys, and tell me if that is a decent amount of power from this SUV. I guess it is. I think it is. Okay, come on, guys, join me. Let's go. Okay, let's change it to Sport Plus and listen to the revs from the engine. And then this button right here engages your exhaust or disengages it. So I'm going to engage the exhaust and listen to the engine. Not quite the V8 experience because it's a 3-liter inline 6, and I can swipe through the options. Through the touch controls on this AMG Performance steering wheel, and disengage the park and gonna engage the AC because I've been sitting out here for quite some time and it's really hot. Okay. I'm gonna switch down from dynamic Sport Plus to sport mode and just feel the drive experience. In terms of airflow, it's got a good balance of airflow. By the way, this is not a vent, it's just so you can have straight lines and more symmetry from the front cabin. The air vents are down here. Even with the AC going, this car has a ton of power. And right now it's set to comfort mode, which is more of your daily driving mode. Visibility is quite good. Let me engage I'm gonna swipe to the settings and actually it's gonna go to comfort. I want to get a massage. And how you do that is you tap on the driver and you engage the hot relaxing back massage, and wow, it feels so good. And that's through the massage features of this car. You have seat comfort. I will engage the driver's seat kinetics, which means as I turn through corners, I'll get more support on the sides here, as well as lumbar support. You can actually adjust where you need to have the most support when you're driving, and that's pretty neat. Side bolsters. I want to get enough of a sport experience. I'm gonna put it at a 5, which means I'll get enough support as I drive. Seat heating balance, all very intuitive, very user-friendly. Driver as well as passenger can configure their own settings as I prefer. Let's go back. Ambient lighting, 64 colors to choose from, and right now it's set to the deep red, which is what I love, especially for a night drive. It's a good driving experience. We spoke about the themes. You can change the themes of your car as you drive. Racetrack theme, which changes all the display options. The experience theme as well is this kind of theme. And by the way, as you adjust your themes depending on the driving conditions or the drive configured, the car suspension goes up or lower. So for instance, if I change the dynamic select to sand, the car suspension starts to go up. I'm gonna stay still so you can see it going up. And it's actually articulating front and back, so it rises in this fashion. So the car is quite high right now. If I set the park and let's open up the window here, you want to see how high the car got. You can see it's pretty high. When I set it to the sun terrain, the car's suspension raised the car very, very high. You can see how high it sits. Look at that, very high. I'm gonna lower the suspension slightly. If I go to the, let's go down to the Sport Plus mode, and the car's suspension is gonna lower the car. You can see the articulation mode. The rear is going down very softly. Now the front is going down, and then the rear is going down now. Alright guys, that's a look at the 2021 Mercedes AMG GLE 53 Coupe. If you want to get this car, I'll put a link in the description. Buy from Mercedes-Benz Draper and mention you saw the car on my YouTube channel. And until next time guys, stay positive but test negative. Peace. Remember to subscribe for weekly Mercedes and Mercedes AMG videos.
How can I help?
I'm hot.
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
Hey Mercedes, I'm hot.
I'm reducing the temperature on the driver's side to 64 degrees.
Thank you.